How to remove PIN password on Messenger. Let's get started. Launch your Messenger app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the chat section. Now at the top left corner you can find three bars. Click on it. Click on the settings icon. Once you land to the settings page, over here you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of privacy and safety. Now here towards the option of end-to-end encrypted chats, open it. Click on message storage. Now from this page you are able to remove or reset the PIN. If you want to reset, you can click on the option of reset PIN. If you want to remove it, click on the option of turn off secure storage. Any new end-to-end encrypted messages won't be backed up remotely. Click on continue. And just for that you have disabled PIN password on Messenger. Well, this way you can easily remove PIN password on Messenger. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.